Since 2016 in the United States, we've seen consecutive years of record increase in the number of individuals who are struggling with houselessness. And in 2020, in Multnomah County alone, it was expected that there were over 12,000 individuals who were without stable shelter. And so with that kind of instability, with long-standing systemic challenges and a global pandemic, how can someone break themselves and future generations free from that cycle? Well, what research tells us is that post-secondary education is one of the best pathways, because with an undergraduate degree, unemployment rates, lifetime earnings, and health insurance rates, just to name a few, are significantly improved. But it can be really hard to think about homework if you don't have a home. At CityTeam, our new youth collective program is for young people who are facing that specific challenge. And who we want to serve are those who are most vulnerable in our community. So that's young people who are formerly in foster care, have been impacted by the criminal justice system, or who are formerly incarcerated themselves, or those who are already experiencing houselessness even at a young age. And it's meant to be not just a home, but a family, so that we can come around them and give them everything they could possibly need to be successful in post-secondary education. We know that for young people who are facing these kind of challenges, they need stable housing, as well as their other basic needs met. But aside from those things, we're also going to provide a well of resources around them so that they can complete either a 4-year degree or an apprenticeship to become a journeyman tradesperson. And so that includes our staff, as well as interns, who are often those who have come from the very same struggles that they've come from, in addition to unions and other companies and schools that will all provide resources so that young people can achieve economic vitality.
I believe that a lot of the struggles I myself have faced can be traced directly back to having been in the foster system, experiencing chronic homelessness, and all the associated trauma. Growing up, I always felt that I was at a distinct disadvantage due to the lack of housing stability and familiar support. I know firsthand how devastating the impact of not having fellowship and community can have on a person, which is why I'm so excited about the launch of our new Youth Collective program.
And because we know post-secondary education is not a quick and easy process to complete, we're committing to house someone and support them for up to 4 to 6 years, provided that they're in school full-time or in a full-time training program. For all of CityTeam's programs, it is a combination of our staff, interns, volunteers, and patrons. And so if you feel like this is something that you are willing to get behind, then we invite you to learn more at our website at cityteam.org/Portland.